Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your OEM joystick with the new PQ joystick. To complete this, you're going to need these tools. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, wire cutters, and wire strippers. As long as your Elliott model has an OEM joystick, the steps in this video are going to help you replace it with the new PQ joystick. Before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure that you have all the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. Finally, feel free to pause this video at any time to make sure you're doing each step safely and correctly. First, using your Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to need to remove the two screws holding the OEM joystick in place. Next, rotating counterclockwise, remove the top cap from the OEM joystick so it can be removed from the box. Then go ahead and remove the joystick from the box. After removing the joystick, you'll want to cut the wires off at the bottom as close to the plate as possible. Next, strip each wire back about 3/16 of an inch. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, now we're going to loosen the small screws on the terminal connector. Next, you'll insert the wires into the PQ connector. The orange wire goes into the high range terminal. That's the one labeled high ENA. The brown wire goes into the enable terminal, which is the one labeled COM. The white wire goes into the function terminal, which is labeled PWMB. The blue wire goes into the opposite function terminal, labeled PWMA. The black wire, as you might have imagined, goes into the ground terminal, labeled GND. And the red wire goes into the power terminal, which is labeled BS. Please note that no wires go into the aux A or aux B terminals. After you've inserted the 6 wires into the PQ connector, remove the top cap from the PQ joystick by rotating it counterclockwise. Finally, insert the PQ joystick into the upper control box, replacing the spring and top cap. Then, replace the mounting screws and tighten them down. Now that you've replaced your OEM joystick with the new PQ joystick, you'll need to follow PQ controller adjustments to dial in the new controller for smooth operation and maximum capabilities. You can find a step-by-step video on making these adjustments along with many other technical support videos at elliotequip.com. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829.